Fire it up and let's see how it goes. Full power. It's working. It's that time of year again where we have to clean gutters. I don't want to get on the roof. I don't want to get on the ladder. I want to stay on terra firma, the ground, and still get the job done. So I came up with this blower extension that takes care of everything. You can use it on round blowers and flat blowers. It can go 5 feet outwards to 15 feet or longer. And the design costs anywhere between $15 and $20, depending on your situation. Interested in learning more? Let's get started. This design costs somewhere between $15 and $25, depending on where you can find these pieces. Flex elbow, I have a flex spout. Those are both vinyl, by the way. Then I bought a 10-foot long piece of vinyl 2x3, 2-inch by 3-inch downspout. This is what I'm going to use to clean my gutters. If you have a blower like this, slide over the top like that. This one is round and it comes off. This has the little circular thing. This extends out to about 18 inches. So you just push that on there like that. And the great thing about this is it acts as a pivot point. So this pushes on here like this, and this could be 8 feet long. Here's the part that goes into the gutter and blows the stuff out. And you can manipulate this any way you want in order to adjust it. And the same thing over here. So when you're up there, you can manipulate this and you can move this around. The reason why I went with vinyl instead of aluminum is aluminum, it bends easy, gets damaged. This is really easy to cut with a mini hacksaw or a Japanese style pole saw. In fact, what I did is I started out with the mini hacksaw, made a groove, and then I'm following up with the finer blade of the Japanese hacksaw. Both these saws are really good to have on hand for all sorts of projects in your home or if you're a maker. That simple. This stuff is really rugged and tough. The other thing I designed for this is a handle to adjust this end here. This is basically anywhere between 80 and 76 inches of paracord. I have a fisherman's knot on both ends here to make some adjustments. I got this from the dollar store, or actually I got this from Harbor Freight for $1. And this will allow me to have a handle on the longer pipe to manage this as I'm holding on and powering the blower. Great thing about using fisherman knots here, double fisherman, is you can adjust the length of the cord and optimize it. This is what a prusik looks like. So you take and you run it through once, run it through twice. This is where you can adjust the fisherman's knot top and eyes. And so here you go. And what that allows you to do is clip in this handle. And the great thing about the prusik knot is it locks off, but then you can easily slide it up and down to adjust and make it comfortable. So you can pivot it this way, well, basically 360 degrees in all areas. It takes the load off, and I'll show you what it looks like when this prusik is in action. The prusik knot situation is used a lot in climbing. You probably see this climbing wall behind me. I have this in my garage. Taking innovations and ideas from different cultures, climbing, sports, and then integrating them together to come up with a solution. See how this thing does out in the wild. Time to show you how to put this together outside with the Mondo extension and use it. I want to make sure the blower is directed so that all the debris out of the gutter goes away from me and not on top of me. That's an important safety tip. Got my prusik on the new one. I'm gonna hang it on the gutter, put on the blower sideways like this, then attach the two pieces together. I got this at 8 feet. It might be even a little longer than I want, because I don't want to be under the debris when it comes off the gutter. So here we go. It's working. And trust but verify on the other blower, so I'm just going to insert this in. So we'll use the electric blower now and see how that does. Whoa! Lots of power! The first run, making progress. We got a couple places that we have to work on. Not too bad, and we've proven the blower works. Thumbs up and comments always appreciated. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in all sorts of home designs, outdoor designs, making and breaking things, designs of all kinds, I even do costumes, cosplay, and props. Check out my channel and please subscribe, because you never know what you're gonna see.